Welcome to the next part of van build. We're going to be installing the wheels and tyres. Let's have a look at them.
Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VW Crafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on your journey.
So we're installing the Black Arsenal Rhinos. I did want the sand on black, but they stopped making new ones, so it's just the matte black I'm doing. Size wise, it's the LT245 by 70 by 17 inch, and they're on BFGoodrich KO3s. I did inquire about the KO2s to begin with, but the gentleman in the tyre shop, there was actually two places I checked, they advised me about getting the KO3 because it's a better compounded tyre, better tread. They asked me like what I mostly drive on. I said motorway. They said it's just a better tyre to get, so that's where I got the KO3s. So we'll get that started on the van. So as you can see, what I've got here is the centre caps. I've got new bolts to go on. I've got a new set of locking wheel nuts. I've got a 17 and a 19mm socket for the original bolts on the van, 17 for the new bolts to go on the van. Is it the wee hub ring that goes to the inside of the wheel? Clip it on and then we'll put the wheel on. And that's just the Allen key and the two bolts for the centre cap. So let's get it fitted. So the easiest way to get the centre caps off, just put a bit trim tool in there, get this one at the back of it, that's it off. Right, let's get the nuts off. So for this one, it's 19mm, we'll just slacken them first. So on the Crafter, you've got 4 points on each corner. This is the jacking point here. So let's get it jacked up. That's it. Just gonna check. Oh, that's fine. It's off the ground. So the wheel, that's the wee centre cap thing. It just goes on there. Pushed in like that. That's it. That's all you do. Jack up a little bit. A little bit. So it's just a case of lining it up here. And that looks good. So now a wee bit copper grease on each bolt, so next time it's easier for them coming out. Last one. I'll be leaving a link for where I got the tyres and wheels in the description below if you're interested. So let's just get them tightened up. This one. Right, let's get it lowered and get them final tightened up. Oh, hey mate, just the centre cap to go in here. And that is it. Oh no, I've got this cellophane to take off. And that is it. That's a nice looking wheel. So I'm not going to bore you with the other three. I'll do them and then I'll show you the final result. So we've got the four wheels on. Looking really good. So, perfect. So that's it for this video. If you've liked it, why not subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll be putting the arches on. Because of these wheels sticking out that little bit, that'll be the next video. So, thanks for watching.